Hi guys, so quickly here is the recipe that I use to do my clay mask for my hair. I'm using a cup of the clay mask. You don't have to use that much, but I use the cup. And then I'm doing like a fourth of everything else, so a fourth of extra virgin olive oil. That's the oil I chose. You can choose whatever oil you want and multiple oils. You just don't have to do one. That's just what I had. And a fourth of your ACV with the mother in it. And again, tea tree oil. You can do any type of other oil that you need. That's just what I had, so I was like, let me go with it. You're going to stir it up to it's all fully blended, and then once you fully blend it, then you're going to add your water to the consistency that you want. Myself, I preferred it to be the mixture and the thickness of like pancake mix, so that's what I went with. Next, I'm going to comb thoroughly through the hair. Right now you see it's still in its flat iron state. I'm going to spritz my hair thoroughly so it's nice and wet before I apply the clay mask. And without disappointment, I was very happy to see that my curls bounced back. So now you're just going to apply as much as you like. Be generous as you can with the clay mask and apply it to each section of the hair from the roots to the end. And ladies, don't forget to massage your scalp, because that's going to actually clarify your scalp and cleanse your scalp of any dried dandruff, and just kind of disinfects. That's what the ACV helps, and the tea tree oil helps to clear up any bacteria and just kind of cleanses it for great growth. And last and final, you're going to keep it in until it dries, so I'll be back once it's fully dry. And then make sure it's all rinsed out. As you can see here, I'm taking off my t-shirt, and the results that I found was amazing. My hair had great shine and it was very soft, and I'm very happy with it. So definitely we're gonna put this into my routine about twice a month. So again, try it guys, let me know what you think, leave a comment below, and thank you for watching.